Your truck is a set of complex elements brought together in a single system. You don't necessarily pay attention to it since it demands little or no attention from you. But be aware that a very small malfunction can have consequences that can cost you very quickly. Checking your levels, paying attention to simple components, can help you avoid or at least warn you about reaching disproportionate expenses. Checking the levels must be carried out with the engine cold and on level ground. Remove the oil dipstick from its sheath. Once out, wipe it off with a paper towel. Slide it back in. And finally, take it out again. Look at the dipstick at the end. The dipstick has two markings at the end. This is the part that provides the image of the oil level in your engine. The latter will be considered optimal when it is located in the middle of this section. Be careful, it must not be above the maximum level. You risk engine failure. If you find that your level is low, open the filler cap and add some oil. We are talking about a few ounces, no more. Insert your dipstick again, which you will have wiped beforehand, to check the new level. Repeat the filling operation until you reach the optimal level. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Coolant is as important as oil in an engine, vital. It is very important to check this level frequently. Open the coolant reservoir cap. Remove the dipstick. Once out, wipe it with a paper towel. Slide it back in. And finally, take it out again. The dipstick has two markings at the end. This is the part that provides the image of the coolant level. The latter will be considered optimal when it is located in the middle of this section. For this vehicle, we advise you to follow the manufacturer and product recommendations, to adapt coolant dilution to the specifications of your vehicle where necessary, and fill the circuit with coolant. Be careful, again, to reach the maximum level indicated, but not to go over it, and especially never perform this with a hot engine. The brake fluid reservoir also contains level graduations. When your level drops, this simply means wear on your brake linings. With the wear being compensated by the pistons, these come out further and consequently enlarge the brake circuit, allowing it to accommodate more fluid. If the level is below the maximum, correct it by adding fluid. Also take advantage of this time to add washer pump fluid to the tank, which helps keep the windshield and rear window clean. It is an important safety element to keep a clean, unobstructed field of vision. This operation must be carried out on a regular basis in order to keep your vehicle functioning optimally. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.